Today I am popping in to do a review on this garden gate set. This is kind of a kit that you can use. It comes with all the metal brackets, the hinges, all of the hardware, everything that you need to construct your own gate for your garden. It does work best with wood sizes of 2 by 4 inches and up. The welds on this are done very nicely, so you can kind of see how the hinges are welded on there. Let me flip it over. So everything is actually constructed very nice. It's extremely thick. Like I cannot bend this whatsoever. Very solid metal. It's all painted, so it has a really nice black finish on it. In this kit, you're going to get 2 of the hinges. These are going to attach in the corners here. And then you also get 4 of the corner brackets. These are nice to kind of help keep everything nice and square. You have all of your holes are pre-drilled, so you get 4 of those corner brackets. Those are going to be located on the inside of the gate. Then you also get your locking hardware. If your gate is kind of high and you want the ability to unlock this from the side the lock is not on, it even comes with a little cord. I can show you an image right here so that you can kind of put it through the gate and pull the handle up from the other side. And then it even comes with all the screws and everything that you're going to need to mount everything together. We are going to be making a garden gate today, so come with us while we get moving. We wanted to do a really long gate, so you can actually see this is probably a little bit bigger than most people are gonna do, but it's working just fine. We've got the hinges on here. I can open it up. You can see this is a lot of weight on these hinges and it's doing just fine. And then we have all of our corner brackets in there. I will say that we used a very solid piece of hardwood, so we did wind up using some longer stronger screws because the screws that come with this were snapping. But again, this is a very dense wood that is hard to work with, so that probably played a part in it. If you're using a softer wood, the screws will probably work just fine. But again, we've got all 4 brackets in here. We're going to put in some of the fencing to kind of close that off, but it's working just fine. Now that our gate is done, we're very happy with it. We're really happy with how things turned out. All of the brackets worked very well. They're actually holding up very well for a gate this size. It swings open just fine. And again, we did use some of our own screws because we were kind of having trouble with the screws that came with it, just because our wood is so dense. So if this is a product you're considering, it is something the manufacturer did send me in exchange for my honest, unbiased opinion. Hopefully this review helps you decide if it's the right product for you or not, but overall, we're really happy with it.